You write V.
Free. Yeah.
A. Ba't ang liit niyan, anak?
A. Oopsie.
Michaela. M. Very good. Y. You're right. Go. Go. Go, anak. You can do it. Y. K. A.
No.
E. E. L. L.
You can also use this.
Kinagat.
Oh my God.
Anak, are you hungry ba?
All the time.
No.
Okay, no.
Oh.
There you go.
Hello!
Okay.
Oh, L. Right, L. A. Rosabeth. R.
Oopsie.
Is that how you concentrate, baby? R. O. S. A.
S.
S. Then A. Then B. B as in boy. B. E. E. T. T. T as in T. As in tango. Tatay. Turtle. T. You right, T. Mikey, go.
Top.
Like Tom. Top.
Zero.
T.
Mikey. Like
Toy. Oh, you right na.
Yeah, you can do it.
You can do it. T.
For tennis ball.
Yeah.
Yes, so go,
tennis
T.
ball.
T.
Mahaba pa rin.
T. H.
H.
H. H. You right, H. Then, below, P.
No, below here.
Okay, oh, go.
Yeah. It should be red
It's-
to blue.
in-
Ay, blue to blue.
It's up to you. Go. Go.
Next line.
Next line,
row will be
next
like
row.
this, anak. Blue to blue for the big letters.
P.
Then
P,
red to blue, the baby letters.
P, then Vasig. You write Vasig. V, A, S. No, 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 no. S. I. G. Very good, anak. Good job.